Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see another variation of shortest job first algorithm. Simply we call it as SJF. In SJF, we are going to give priority to the process which are going to execute within less time. Means the process whose burst time is very less will give chance to first. Right? And we are discussing non-preemptive. Right? So what is that variation means you can understood while explaining the example. Right? Without delay, let me try to draw the Gantt chart for this one. Right? So CPU is going to start with 0 units of time. By the time of 0, is there any process available? No. So means it is going to be idle for 1 unit of time. And give chance to P1 as only one process available. And it is allocated for 7 units completed by 8 units of time. P1 is done. By the completion of 8 units, what are the process available? All the processor came already, right? So, given chance to P2, P3 or P4 or P5 is dependent upon the algorithm what we are using. As we are using SJF, will give chance to the process which is having the lowest burst time, right? If you look into the process P3 and P4, these two processes are having the lowest burst time. Then, which one you will take? That is what you have to think, right? Will give chance to the arrival times. Which one will be come first, right? But if you look into the arrival times also, they came at the same time. Then what you will do? You will give chance to the process which have the less process. So P3 will be executed then for 1 unit of time, that is 9. Then P4 will be executed for 1 unit of time, that is 10. So P3 and P4 is done. Next, we'll give chance to P2 as it is having less burst time, 5 units, that will be 12, and then it gives chance to P5 for 8 units, that will be 20. Like this SJF algorithm is going to work, right? Which means when burst times are equal, you have to go with the arrival times. If arrival times are also equal, you have to go with the process IDs. Do you may get question, sir, is process IDs might be equal? No, it couldn't possible because process IDs is unique for each and every process. So that's the reason process ID is always not equal. So this is where your problem is going to get. Hope you understood this video clearly.